Around 11:30 Saturday evening at 3700 Old Greenbrier Pike in Springfield, we had a rollover accident inside the Legacy Village apartment complex. There were 3 occupants in the vehicle. The driver was arrested under the suspicion of DUI. According to accident investigators and several witnesses we spoke to at the scene, the driver was simply moving too fast to take the turn, hit the curb, and the vehicle flipped. Luckily, no one was seriously injured in this accident. Looking more like something you might see on a freeway, this accident seemed a little strange to bystanders as it occurred inside an apartment complex. One of the residents said they heard a loud bang. In fact, they thought something had exploded. Another resident who lived on the other end of the complex said he heard the crash. When you consider that someone could have been walking through the apartment complex or up the driveway, it's very fortunate that no one was seriously injured in this accident. This has been Jim Ball reporting for SmokeyBarn.com's Robertson County Daily at the Legacy Village Apartments in Springfield.
When you're facing a medical emergency, time is critical. Every minute matters. And today, time is on your side. Because Northcrest Medical Center is ready 24/7. We have the experience and expertise to act decisively and the leading edge technology crucial for life-saving surgery, letting you get back to the life you love. Northcrest Medical Center, bringing exceptional care to our community.